Hello kids, so today a very important trick, multiplication of 2 into 2 digits we'll be learning. Okay, we have to follow this IXI pattern. Okay, and this comes from Vedic mathematics. Okay, so just pay attention. Okay, few steps, if you remember, your speed of calculation will be much more faster, okay, than the traditional pattern that you follow. Okay, look here, now I'm taking say 41 into 23. Okay, 2 digits multiplication with other 2 digits. Okay, now I have to follow this pattern. This is called IXI pattern. Okay, what do you mean by this? I am having 4 digits here. First I'll multiply this. 4 2s is 8. Okay, then I'll come to this, then I'll cross multiply and add. 4 3s is 12, 2 1s is 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. How will I write 14? 1 carry 4 here. Okay, then 3 1s is 3. So straight away IXI pattern we did. Okay, and now 1 is carried here, so we'll just add 3 4 9. 9 4 3 is your answer, students. Okay, one more sum so that you can understand where to carry, how to add everything in detail. Okay, let us say 71 multiplied by 32. Okay, now first we'll multiply this. 7 3s is 21. Straight away you can write starting from the left. Then cross multiply. 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3. 14 plus 3 is 17. So 1 7 17. Okay, 1 is carried here and 7 here. Then 2 1s is 2. Okay, since students I have only one place here, okay, so we have to carry if we get any 2 digits number. Okay, so just add this to get your answer. 2722. 2272 is the product of 71 into 32. Few more examples, students. Okay, let us take 82 multiplied by 41. Then I'll take 67 multiplied by say 15. Okay, come on, 8 4s is 32. First 2 digits we can write directly. Okay, then 8 1s is 8 plus 4 2s is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 1 6 16. And the last one 2 1s is 2. So here is your answer, 2 6 3 3. The answer is 3362. Then anyway, if we know the table of 15, we are following this table, this pattern, IXI pattern. Okay, so we'll do with this method. Okay, 6 1s is 6. Then 6 5s are 30 plus 7 1s are 7. So 37. Okay, then 7 5s is 35. So 3 carry and 5 here. Okay, so your answer is 5. This is 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 6 again 10. So 1005. Now students, we'll be doing this little more quickly so that you can get an idea that once you practice this for a week, how quickly you can do 2 into 2 digits multiplication. Okay, so this time we'll be doing far more quickly. Let us take 36, 21, 75, 48, 23, 47. Okay, then afterwards I'll take, let us say this is 6 3 12 15 6. So 6 5 7 4 28 56 plus 20 76. This is 40 0 0 16 3600. 2 4s are 8. 14 plus 12 26 21. Okay, so your answer is 1810. Okay. Okay, so I am giving you now 4 examples and the time for you is say 20 seconds to solve that. Okay, so take a pen, take a paper or a pencil. Okay, and I'll give you 4 sums. So 77, 26, 23, 19, 48, 37 and 96, 44. Okay, students, your time starts now. Time up, students. Okay, so quickly we'll see 14, 42 plus 14, again 42. This is 2, 1, 0, 2. 2, 18 plus 3, 21, 27, 7, 3, 4, 12, 28 plus 24 is 5, 2, 52, 56, 6, 7, 7, 1. Okay, this is 36, again 36 plus 24, 60, and this is again 24, 4, 2, 12, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4. Okay, hope students you all have understood the trick. Okay, there is another video of multiplication of 3 by 3 digits which you can follow after this. Okay, but before that, make sure that you solve the sums given below. Okay, and you practice and master this. Okay, thank you students, goodbye.